Hey friends, good morning. Azim here from Wotek. Today, we have come up with a socially responsible product, which is Ozone Box. This is a portable ozone sanitizer. Uh, as you could see in the brochure, ozone is a gas existing in nature composed by three atoms of oxygen. And this gas is able to oxidize and destroy viruses, bacteria, spores, and mites. And it is supposed to be fast, economic, and ecological way to get rid of these things. Let me explain the next point. Ozone box can use in every space that requires sanitization, like house, dry cleaners, hotels, restaurants, hospitals, caravans, boats, etc., etc. And this product, this particular model, can cover up to 140 square meters. Other points are like this is completely portable, 100% ecological, doesn't need labor, and very crucial points are like doesn't need chemicals, doesn't leave any chemical trace, has no contradiction, and it also eliminates odor. This is the technical specification of the previous model, and the capacity is 7 mg per hour. This is a little bit more powerful than the previous model. It has 300 capacity of 300 meter square, and this can reach and sanitize even the most inaccessible points. And the production capacity of ozone is 20,000 mg per hour. See, this is my details. People who are interested in this may contact me on my mobile number or the below mentioned email ID, whichever is convenient for you. And to be very honest, I'll be very honest with you people. See, the motivation or the initiative we took for this product is not merely a business oriented or profit oriented. Um, it's more, a social responsibility we are showing to our country. So we assure our customers that we will be able to supply them with this product shortest period of 10 days from the placing of order. And the margin which will be charged upon this product will be minimum. That's a promise from Wotak. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Thank you.